CRMediaGal here, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing for you that I had actually hoped to have at the beginning of June, but my box was late. The GeekGear Wizardry subscription box. This is a monthly subscription box. This was actually for May, and mine just arrived on Tuesday, June 12th. I was getting really worried when I wasn't getting my subscription box, so I reached out to GeekGear several times by email, 3 times for them to finally get back to me, and even then it was just sort of like, well, you gotta wait and see if it shows up. So far, I'm not very impressed with their customer service or the fact that it takes so darn long to get here. I understand it's coming from overseas, but still, it's kind of annoying. So, GeekGear is not up to a good start, but I'm really hoping that now that the box is finally here, what's inside will make up for it. Let's hope. To give you a little overview of GeekGear, there are various subscriptions that you can get. There's the regular GeekGear, there's the GeekGear Wizardry, which is this. There's also the GeekGear Wizardry Special Edition box, which I also signed up for, and that is a bi-monthly subscription. For the next couple months, I will hopefully have a couple of these for you, and hopefully they won't be this late. I will be honest in these reviews, and I will be honest in my videos with you about what I think of these products. So, let's get into the box itself. You can choose your house, and mine is obviously Slytherin. So, this is a new design for them. I've seen in other unboxing videos previously, the box was black and it just had like the different house crests on the side. So this is what it looks like. Pretty standard, but I do love the green for Slytherin. That's nice. But oh my god, I've been waiting to get into this. I've been so excited for this and just totally bummed out when it wasn't coming and it wasn't coming and it wasn't coming. So let's get into this. Here we go. That's as satisfying as a lot of YouTubers who get the subscription have been saying in their videos. So I'm gonna give you guys a first peek before I look. Oh, so there's the green paper for Slytherin. Nice little touch there. I love it. Ooh, okay, all right, here we go, here we go. By the way, I have been really good for the past several weeks that other people have been doing these unboxing videos, not watching any of those videos, so I have no spoilers to go off of. This is all gonna be my genuine initial impression of whatever is in here. So first up, we have a t-shirt. You see that? Oh, it's a Hedwig. Okay, that's cute. I might actually have to go up a size. This might be a little bit tight on me, but Hedwig's eyes are really pretty. Okay, so I mean it's standard. I've seen better t-shirts in these boxes, but I mean, I ain't mad. It's fine. Next we have something in here that looks like it's gonna match my Death Eater shirt. What is this? Oh, it's a pillowcase cover. Okay, so it's a pillowcase of Death Eater masks, which to me is pretty cool. But I guess if you're not a Slytherin or you don't care for that sort of thing from the wizardry world, I don't know what you would think of this. I'll definitely use it. I'll use it along with my advanced potion making pillow. I do like that. Next up, we have what looks like a wand. I don't know who they manufacture their wands from, but they're not official Noble Collection wands, but it's pretty cool. Comes in this Hogwarts crest paper. Ooh, that is pretty. Whose wand is that? I'm horrible with wand, guys. Unless it's Snape's wand or Hermione's wand or like the Elder wand or Voldemort's wand. There is supposed to be a little pamphlet in here to explain all the merchandise, so we'll figure out that at the end. But look at that. That's really pretty. It's pretty heavy. Yeah, cool. Yay, I've got a wand. I don't collect wands per se. I have Snape's wand. I have an interactive wand, Death Eater wand, I think, that I got when I was at the Orlando Wizarding World of Harry Potter And I do want to get Hermione's wand at some point, but it is something I'm definitely considering, so that's good. What is next? There's a lot of things in here. I'm surprised. Okay. We have what looks like a house item. If you chose Slytherin house, any house merchandise in here, it will be Slytherin related, so that's cool. Okay, so we got a lanyard of Slytherin with the Slytherin crest there. Oh, it includes a collectible sticker, so I guess this is the sticker in here. I've never gotten one of these, so I just never felt like I needed one, but that's pretty nice. That's pretty cool. So, again, not mad. GeekGear, you're redeeming yourself. Next up, we have this box. Another Death Eater thing. Death Eater thing. That's really descriptive, Andrea. Ooh, is this a scarf? It's a Death Eater scarf. That's pretty cool. I don't mind that. As a Slytherin? Heck yeah, I love this stuff. I wonder if based on your house, maybe you'd get something different. I'm not sure. We'll find out in the pamphlet, but that is super, super pretty. Matches my t-shirt perfectly. What is this? I remember seeing this in other unboxings. A Harry Potter cookbook, and they include different recipes that you can try. So I'm missing some of them. Looks like in this issue, I got spicy love potion. So that's cool. Maybe I can even make that for a video if anybody's interested. I'm not much of a cook, but we'll see. It's another one. Cauldron cupcakes. Oh, I do like that. If you watched my last video, which was my Harry Potter haul for June 2018, I'm obsessed with anything cauldron related. I don't know, it reminds me of Snape, so whatever, but I will totally make these. Those look yummy. Got 2 of them, that's cool. Well, at least in other unboxing videos that I've watched, they've always included like some kind of a print. So it looks like there's a print in here. Okay, this is a GeekGear license exclusive. It's Luna Lovegood from the movie with her lion head. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I mean, I've seen some actual art prints that they've included in the past, and I liked those better, but I love Luna. Don't get me wrong, I do love Luna. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with this. I guess so. But it's kind of cool. So let's take a look at the pamphlet that is included with the box. So you open it up, and it looks like there's the different Hogwarts lanyard. So if you were Gryffindor, you got the red one. If you were Hufflepuff, you got what looks like a black and yellow. Ravenclaw, you got black and blue. Then you got this month's cookbook recipes, which I'm really excited for those. I want to try those. The exclusive Sinister scarf. Then there's the exclusive Sinister cushion cover. The exclusive wand is this high quality handcrafted and painted wand. Comes with an iron core for extra stability. Oh, it doesn't say. It doesn't say who the wand belongs to. Am I missing something, guys? Does this look like a particular character's wand? Because in the past they've had particular characters. I know they had Sirius Black's wand before and McGonagall's wand before. But I guess this is just a standard. And then the exclusive t-shirt of Hedwig. So that's all that you get in this month's box for May. And then in the back they always include next month's box hint. It looks like it's the stag. Maybe something to do with Patronuses or something. All right, well that is everything in this month's box. I do wish the shipping was a little bit faster. I do also wish there was the opportunity to track your package so I didn't have to try and hunt down where it is from GeekGear, because their customer service, I have to say, is not impressive. But as for the box itself, I'm pretty pleased with everything that was in here. Let's see, you get 7 items in this month's box, which is more than I've seen in other unboxings. The recipes, I'm only including 2 of them as one. So it's a lot of stuff actually, so that's pretty impressive. My favorite item from this month would probably have to be, I guess it's a toss-up, either the scarf or the wand. Which one was your favorite? Which one in here did you like best? But that is it, guys. So let me know down in the comments below what your favorite item from the May GeekGear Wizardry box is. And if you are a subscriber, let me know what your favorite box in the past has been. I'd be curious to know, because I feel like I've watched like over a year's worth of Geek Gear unboxing videos. It is pretty pricey, so I'm not sure how long I will do this. I am signed up for the next 3 months for the standard Geek Gear box, and then is it 3 months worth of the bi-monthly Wizardry special edition boxes. So that should, I believe, be coming next along with June GeekGear Wizardry box. But considering how long this one took to get to me, we might be well into July or into August before I do the next unboxing. Hopefully it won't take that long, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. That really supports my channel. And be sure to subscribe so that you can look out for more Harry Potter related videos from me in the future. I've got a lot planned. I hope you will stay tuned, and I will see you guys later. Bye!